TD Ameritrade is a prominent online brokerage firm in the United States, offering a wide range of investment services and trading platforms for stocks options, futures, forex, and mutual funds. It provides users with various tools and resources to help them make informed investment decisions. Here's a step-by-step guide for beginners on how to trade online on TD Ameritrade and secure your payments/transactions in 2024. Open an account. Visit the TD Ameritrade website, w.tdameritrade.com, and click on Open an Account. Follow the prompts to fill in your personal information and choose the type of account you want open: individual, joint, or retirement account. You'll need to provide your Social Security number, proof of identity, and residency. Fund your account. After your account is approved, you'll need to fund it. TD Ameritrade offers several funding options, including bank transfers, checks, wire transfers, and ACH transfers. Make sure to follow the instructions provided by TD Ameritrade to complete this process. Choose a trading platform. TD Ameritrade offers several trading platforms, including their flagship platform, thinkorswim, and the TD Ameritrade mobile trader app. Choose the platform that best suits your needs and preferences. Research and analyze. TD Ameritrade provides extensive research and analysis tools to help you make informed decisions. Utilize these resources, including news feeds, market analysis, and expert insights, before making trades. Place an order. Once you've decided on the investment you want to make, place your order through the trading platform. TD Ameritrade offers various order types, including market, limit, and stop orders. Monitor your investments. Keep track of your investments by regularly checking your account and using the available tools to monitor market trends and your portfolio performance. Secure your payments and transactions. To ensure the security of your payments and transactions, follow these best practices. A. Use strong passwords. Always use unique, complex passwords for your TD Ameritrade account and regularly update them. B. Enable two-factor authentication. TD Ameritrade offers two-factor authentication to enhance account security. Enable this feature to protect your account from unauthorized access. C. Monitor your account activity. Regularly review your account statements and transaction history to identify any suspicious activity. D. Keep your personal information secure. Protect your personal information, such as account numbers and passwords, and avoid sharing them with unauthorized individuals. E. Stay informed about security threats. Keep yourself updated on the latest security threats and scams in the financial industry, and be vigilant about potential phishing attempts. By following these steps and maintaining a secure online presence, you can trade on TD Ameritrade with confidence and protect your payments and transactions.